Hi, I'm Gaurav Agrawal and I am the owner of the Sales Pusher. And this is the one of the other video which I'm making, which is quite useful if you are a beginner. I have seen a lot of people, they are not able to run the campaigns very well. And the easiest one is the auto campaign. In the auto campaign, everything does is done by Amazon. Amazon does everything. They do it, all the research, and he just figures out uh, where you should will get the more sales, and they will start putting your products over there. So in today's video is all about how to run an Amazon PPC auto campaign and the strategy that works in 2021. So let's get started. So first thing is that you need to make sure that you have given a right set of the keywords to your listings, and everything over there is well optimized. You just choose your keywords very well, and for that you can just look around your competitors' keywords, put out the keywords, because Amazon doesn't know about anything about your product. The only way the Amazon will know is about from the keywords, and from internet they will understand, okay, someone is searching like this type of keyword and they are buying this product. So in the same way we need to train the Amazon. We need to tell the Amazon, okay, you need to find us products that are actually in related to my product and show my product under it. For that, you need to start an auto campaign and try to run with the auto campaign. Let's say if you have a monthly budget of $1,000 or $500 uh, for the PPC, put a higher amount over there. I would suggest go for $30 and put the higher ends of the bids over there, not the lower end. And if they are too higher, just leave them and just put the bid whatever you think is feasible for you or is an acceptable one. But generally, to make it work, we need to put a bid that is that is very much within the range, within the highest range. The reason behind is that in this range, Amazon will go out and try different keyword, different products out there which can be found in the automatic campaigns. And in this process, there will be a lot of failures. There will be a lot of success also. But we don't need to concentrate on the failure. We need to concentrate on the success. By success, I mean where you are getting orders. So Amazon will try out and will try to spend your money day over day, and will certainly find some wins and losses. And once it does, so in this process, Amazon will learn at which price your bids are working, at which placements under the products or under the search results your bids are working good, and after that it will start showing up your products more. But we are bleeding money, and no business can run while it's bleeding money. So what we will do? We will do simply one thing. We will go after 7 days. What we will do? We will go do the to our bids, and we will reduce our bids. We will reduce our bids somewhere around 10% negative than the suggested bid. Now Amazon knows where you are getting sales. It has a 7 days of data. That's, I think, is sufficient. But you are bleeding money, and this is generally works for the small sellers and the mid-sized seller. We don't have the much of the funds as of now, and you just reduce the price. Now Amazon knows that your products are working in which scenario, under which products. They will show up your products here and there, and in the meantime you will again start getting sales. Your sales will be slower because you have reduced the bids, but in the longer run you will have more data to play on, and you will have the more profits. This is how it works, but it's not a one-time work. And after that, what you need to do, you need to make sure that you go in over there, you just find the keywords that are not working according to you. Let's say we are selling shoes and blue shoes are not working according to you, and you haven't got a single sale out of it. Simply copy that phrase and put it into the negative exact match. I'm not saying put it in the negative phrase because it will totally block that keyword, put it into the negative exact match. So what will happen? So after you just start putting the negative keywords over there, so this will weed out all the keywords that are not generating sales. Indirectly, that means the person who is searching for the blue shoes or the keywords which you have negated are not resonating with your product. So they will simply, the Amazon will not show, you will save some money, and Amazon will show up your product somewhere else. And in the whole process, you will be making money because now you have the more placements and Amazon will be able to show your products somewhere else where it thinks you will generate more sales, or you can think of that it will have a more money to earn from you in terms of referral fee. This is the iterative process. Do it in a 7 to 10 days, and at the end you have enough data from that automatic campaign so that you can launch the manual campaigns. And we will have a very detailed video how to run the manual campaigns shortly. So subscribe to this channel and you will learn more about the Amazon PPC and Amazon business. Thank you everyone.